While the theoretical framework for my second PhD project was indeed intricate, the demands and challenges of my first PhD project were no less rigorous. The journey of completing a PhD is, by its very nature, a formidable undertaking, and there is no simple or carefree path to navigate the complexities and intellectual rigor it requires. Success hinges on a methodical and robust approach, particularly when it comes to laying the intellectual groundwork for your research. Establishing a comprehensive theoretical framework for a PhD project is a critical, foundational step that precisely defines the boundaries and scope of your research. More than just an academic exercise, it provides the essential lens through which you'll analyze your data and interpret your results, giving your entire project coherence and direction. Here's a step-by-step guide to constructing such a framework. 1. Clarify research problem and objectives. The journey begins with absolute clarity. You must identify the research gap. What unanswered question, unresolved problem, or specific void in the existing literature is your PhD project specifically addressing? Your theoretical framework must be intimately aligned with this central problem. Following this, set clear objectives and hypotheses. These specific aims and the hypotheses you intend to test will serve as the guiding stars for the entire direction of your theoretical framework, dictating which theories and concepts are most relevant. 2. Conduct an extensive literature review. With your problem defined, you must then survey existing theories. This involves conducting a thorough and systematic review of the literature within your field, meticulously identifying key theories, established models, and core concepts that researchers have previously used to address similar or related problems. Beyond simply cataloging, you need to understand current debates. Explore the ongoing discussions, controversies, and unresolved issues within your field. This critical exploration helps you determine precisely where your research fits into the ongoing academic conversation and how it will contribute new knowledge. Finally, you must synthesize relevant theories, selectively choosing and integrating those theories that are most pertinent and powerful for illuminating your specific research problem. This synthesis forms the bedrock of your theoretical foundation. 3. Identify key concepts and variables. Once the foundational theories are in place, the next step is to define key terms and concepts. Identify the core ideas and constructs that your research will explore. It's paramount that these concepts are clearly and concisely defined, as they will be central building blocks of your theoretical framework and ensure consistent understanding throughout your study. If applicable, you must then determine the relationships between variables. Outline how different variables in your research are hypothesized to interact. These relationships must be firmly grounded in theory, and you might consider representing them visually using conceptual models or diagrams to enhance clarity. 4. Choose an appropriate theoretical approach. A critical decision involves choosing your deductive versus inductive approach. You must decide whether your framework will primarily be deductive, starting from existing theory and rigorously testing its applicability with new data, or inductive, building new theory directly from your empirical data. Many PhD projects judiciously combine elements of both. Furthermore, you will need to select specific theoretical models or perspectives. Depending on the nature of your research, you may adopt particular models, frameworks, or overarching theoretical perspectives, for example, critical theory, systems theory, behavioral theory, that will guide your analysis and interpretation. 5. Integrate theories and models. With your chosen theories and concepts in hand, the task is to construct a cohesive framework. Integrate all relevant theories, models, and concepts into a unified and logical structure. It's crucial to ensure that every component aligns perfectly with your research problem, objectives, and hypotheses. During this integration, you must also address any theoretical limitations. Acknowledge existing gaps, weaknesses, or limitations within the theories you are using, and clearly articulate how your research might address these shortcomings or build upon them, thus demonstrating your contribution to the theoretical landscape. 6. Justify your theoretical choices. Transparency and rationale are key. You must explain the relevance to your research, clearly articulating why you've chosen certain theories or models over others. Justify their direct applicability to your specific research question and objectives. If you are combining theories from different disciplines or theoretical perspectives, provide a robust rationale for their integration, explaining precisely how they work together synergistically to support your analysis and provide a comprehensive understanding. 7. Develop conceptual models, optional. While not always mandatory, creating visual representations can significantly enhance understanding. In many cases, it's highly beneficial to develop conceptual models or diagrams that visually depict the relationships between the concepts and variables within your framework. These visual aids can clarify complex interconnections. Furthermore, these models can help you link theoretical models with your methodology, explicitly showing how your theoretical framework directly informs and guides your research methodology, including your data collection strategies and analytical approaches. 8. Ensure coherence and consistency. Your theoretical framework must exhibit seamless coherence. It should align directly with your methodology, logically flowing into the choice of research methods, data collection techniques, and data analysis strategies. This ensures that your theoretical underpinnings are directly translatable to practical research steps. Throughout this process, you must maintain internal consistency, ensuring that all parts of the framework are aligned and harmonious. Avoid incorporating conflicting theories or concepts that could introduce ambiguity or confusion into your analysis. 9. Revise and refine throughout your research. The theoretical framework is not a static document, it's a living part of your research. You must be open to refinement. As you progress through your PhD project, new insights gained from data analysis or unexpected findings may necessitate adjustments to your framework. Be prepared to revise and refine your framework to ensure it remains relevant, comprehensive, and accurately reflects your evolving understanding. Crucially, incorporate feedback from your supervisor, peers, and experts in your field. Their insights are invaluable for ensuring the framework is robust, well-justified, and effectively addresses your research problem. Finally, in your report, paper, dissertation, and thesis, you will write a clear explanation of your theoretical framework as a well-organized and distinct section. Clearly articulate how the selected theories inform your research and how they guide your chosen methodology and analysis. In your discussion, you must powerfully link back to research findings, explicitly referring to your theoretical framework and explaining how your empirical findings either support, challenge, or extend the existing theories. This cyclical connection is what makes your research a true contribution to knowledge. By diligently following these steps, you can construct a comprehensive theoretical framework that serves as an exceptionally strong foundation for your PhD project. This meticulous groundwork ensures that your research is not only grounded in existing knowledge, but also provides a clear, robust structure for interpreting your findings and making a meaningful scholarly contribution. I am eager to benchmark my progress against the wider UK doctoral community. To that end, I am issuing a formal challenge to all UK-based PhD students across any research discipline. I will award £1,000 to any student who can demonstrate the publication of 3 peer-reviewed journal papers derived directly from their first-year annual report. This offer constitutes a legally binding unilateral contract under UK law. Should you meet or exceed this performance benchmark, I am committed to transferring the funds to your account.